you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in Elden Ring, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing without interruptions. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring or gaming platform's website to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Elden Ring completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches that may be causing the cloud save error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any missing or corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 5. Relink your account. If the problem persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to the cloud service. This can refresh your connection and resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue your adventure in Elden Ring. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.